Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life, and I'm so excited because I came home today from shopping and this was on my doorstep. It's the Instapot multi-use pressure cooker. It's the Dual Evo Plus 80. So I'm super excited to check it out and do a little unboxing with you guys. So I've put a lot of thought into buying an Instant Pot. I've had a crock pot for many years, and I like my crock pot, but I don't love my crock pot. And the reason being that I'm not the type of person, and I'll just admit this, I'm not the type of person that can get up in the morning, get myself ready for work, and have time to fill my crock pot. I'm just not organized enough in the morning. So that's why the Instant Pot actually kind of appealed to me, but I really wanted to think it through, and I've literally thought it through for about 2 years. So I went onto the Instant Pot website and I looked up the different kinds of Instant Pots. Let me just pull this out. Holy, it's heavy. And I kind of thought through, like, what is it that I want? What is it that I'm looking for? What would be the right thing? And my sister-in-law told me a few things. My daughter, my son-in-law, they both cook. They've told me a few things that they think an Instant Pot needs, because they've changed over the years. I'm not really sure why they have to have so many different kinds of pots. Like, make a good one and sell the good one, right? But anyways, so there was a lot of different Instant Pots to choose from, and I'm going to show you right here of how I chose it. So this is the website. I went right to the Instant Pot website and I checked out the like a comparison chart here, and that's how I came up with deciding to buy this one. Okay, so let's just pop this open and have a look. Okay, so first let's look at the box. It says it's the Duo Evo Plus multi-use pressure cooker, and it serves up to 8 people. It's a 10-in-1. So it's a pressure cooker, sous vide, saute pan, slow cooker, rice cooker, food warmer, yogurt maker, cake maker, stock pot, and steamer. So it has the easy grip inner pot, easy cook options. So take the guesswork out of cooking with 48 customizable preset options for soups, beans, rice, ribs, and more. So it has an easy seal lid, and with an improved steam diffusing cover, our most innovative lid automatically seals for pressure cooking. Okay, so let's pop this open. It says also that there's a free Instant Pot app with 1,000+ recipes and tips. I've never opened this, so this is my first time opening it. It says there's 2 sealing rings, a steam rack with handles, condensation collector, getting started guide, and a safety warranty and manual. And then it shows you the 3 parts of the pot. So the first thing in the top is a sealing ring. I guess that's what that would be. Paper packaging, I like that. Get away from the styrofoam. Oh my word, this is heavy. Okay, hang on. Okay, the other thing is, like, I've been keeping my mind open about is, like, where to store something this big. So that's okay. Okay, I got a place to store it because I think I'm getting rid of my crock pot. My crock pot reminds me of the one on This Is Us. If you watch This Is Us, you'll know what horrible thing happened. My crock pot knob broke almost right away after I got it, and I don't know where to buy a little knob for it, so I've just been using it with a pair of pliers, and yeah, it's kind of annoying. I like my crock pot, but I don't love that. Okay, so heavy, nice heavy lid. This is kind of fun. All right. Oh, look at this. Okay, this is a very cool thing. So this inner pot is actually a pot. It's actually a pot that you can use on your stove. It's got a thick bottom on it. It's got a nice thick pot, so it can actually be used on my stove. And that was one of the things that was a little bit appealing to me. It has silicone handles, and on the inside, it has markings. I'll bring it closer so you can actually see how much you're putting in there. Oh, I like this. This is like quite a nice pot. So it says 8 quart, 7.7 liters. And yeah, So you can put it in the dishwasher on the different types of elements. Wow, that's exciting. Okay, do not leave food or foreign objects on the heating element. Okay, so I guess this is the heating element inside here. This is not removable. Okay. Oh, and this is the little condensation catcher. And then it's got the little rack. Okay, this is actually really nice. Okay, so that just sits in like that. Like it. Nice book. This is the sealing gasket. So this must go in there. Okay, did it say it came with two? Oh, there's one in there already. Okay, so what they've done is this sealing ring is clear and this one's red, so I guess you know if you onto the second sealing ring. Okay, so let me just show you the pot as it's set up. So the little handles, the silicone handles, slide into these little slots here. So it's very clear how that goes. And then I noticed that there's two holes here on either side, and that's actually to hold the lid. So when you need to open it up to do something, you can actually have the lid there or here. So they've given you that option, which I think is a really, really good option. I'm kind of getting a little excited now about using this. Okay, let's see how that lid actually goes on. Ooh, snaps into place. Okay, so you're gonna find that spot where it kind of snaps into place, and then I think you slide it over. Oh, cool, okay. So you're sliding it over, and then see this little pin here sticking out, and then when you come over here, the pin goes in. So, and then it says seal and vent. Okay. I don't have a recipe to use yet with this. Okay, this comes off. Just playing around with it today, just seeing what it's all about, and figuring out what it does. I'm gonna plug it in and just see if it lights up. Okay, if you're an Instant Pot user, I really wanna know what your all-time favorite Instant Pot recipe is. So if maybe you're considering, maybe you have one of the older ones and you're considering buying a new Instant Pot, I'll let you know in the future what I think about this. I'm not cooking anything today, but I want to know what you cook in your Instant Pot that you really like. So I'm going to add a link to this particular Instant Pot in the description below, where you can go check it out if you are interested in ordering. I bought this one on Amazon. It came really quickly, and I'm really excited to use it. I'm just going to plug it in and let's see if it lights up. Ooh, okay. So this is interesting. I noticed on the other Instant Pots, they have lots of buttons. This one only says pressure cook, rice and grains, steam, saute, slow cook, sous vide, yogurt, and bake. Keep warm, start, delay start, and cancel. And I guess this little metal button here gives you all your other cooking options. So I have to learn how to use that. Okay, I think I did read that you have to push start in order to get this thing to actually start. So if you're going to pressure cook, start. I think this is probably for your time. Okay, this looks cool. Oh, there's a little close and open here. So this must be the line here. No? That must mean open. Oh, nice sounds. Okay, so open, close. Cool. I'm looking forward to giving this a try. Okay, so I just pulled up my computer and I have the Instant Pot actual web page here where they compare all their products. And this is what I told you earlier that I went to figure out which pot I actually wanted to order. I was not able to find this pot, the Duo Evo Plus, in any stores in my city. So I ordered it online on Amazon, like I said. And I'm going to tell you why I ordered this one. So, you know, when they set up, and I'll show you this on the screen in a second, when they set up all of the things, all the features from the pot, and there's X's along, like every Instant Pot cooks up to 70% faster, one-touch cooking programs, straight across the board. Where it starts to get a little slim is the extra sealing ring that came with this one. the Easy Seal lid. So this pot actually ticked all the X's except for the Duo Crisp, like the air fry thing. But as I was discussing that and watching some YouTube videos on that product, that particular Duo Crisp, to me, it kind of just looked like a fan and an element. And I just think, well, I've got a convection oven already. Not sure if that's what I need. So I just wanted the pot. So where the numbers start, or where the X's start showing for this one, and they start getting slimmer from the other ones, is a diffused steam release. So I guess it's got a steam release. There's the easy steam release, and then there's a diffused steam release as well. Okay, and where it changes completely is the pot. So this is the only Instant Pot that comes with an actual pot that you could use every single day on your stove. So, which I think is actually a really cool feature. So this is as good as my cooking pots, and I have some really nice cooking pots in my kitchen. The only thing that I don't know about yet, which I'm going to look into, is whether this pot actually comes with a lid that you can purchase afterwards. So if it does, I'm actually going to link it below in my description if you're interested in ordering that or looking into that as well. So I'll find that out. 48 customizable programs, and this particular one comes in a 6 and an 8 quart size. And other than that, the features cross over. So this is the unique thing about this Instant Pot, is the pot. Thank you so much for watching Tinagirl Life today. I hope I was able to help you out. I'm not going to actually show you how I'm going to cook something in this, because there's a million people on YouTube that do a great job showing you how to cook something. So I will let you know in the future though what I think about it. And so I'll have that video coming up. And I also have another channel called Tinagirl Travels, where I've got some great content on there if you want to check that out, and I'll add a link to that channel right here. And yeah, check this product out below in the description if you're interested in it, and I will see you next time on Tinagirl Life.